Hello friends. The best part is as long as you drink this Japanese mix every morning before breakfast. You'll also experience these incredible results too. This Okinawa tonic shrinks the size of your fat cells. The Japanese Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic is a new one-of-a-kind weight loss tonic supplement. It helps men and women burn fat fast using a simple 20-second Japanese tonic. This offer converts like crazy for men and women over 30 who want to lose weight fast, especially if they've tried other diets, supplements and workout plans but haven't gotten any lasting results. It's the only tonic drink supplement on the market designed for weight loss.